given two vectors with the same magnitude, A, and only 60 degrees apart. Most people guess the answer and very few derive it correctly. In this video, let us solve it cleanly in a step-by-step approach. We are given two vectors, each has magnitude A. The angle between them is 60 degrees. Our goal is to find the magnitude of their vector sum. Here is where intuition usually fails. Many students try to add magnitudes directly. That only works if vectors are in the same direction. These vectors are not. Direction matters. To add two vectors at an angle, we use the law of cosines. This turns vector addition into a triangle problem. Place the two vectors tail to tail. The resultant vector connects the free ends. This forms a triangle with two equal sides and a known angle. Now the math becomes simple. Therefore, for this triangle, the law of cosine says r squared equals a squared plus 2a squared cosine 60. Since cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 1/2, the equation becomes r squared equals 2a squared plus a squared. Therefore, r squared equals 3a squared. Taking the square root on both sides of the equation, r equals square root of 3 times a. This is the magnitude of the vector sum.